Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado rolls at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for delicious, fresh rolls. You'll need perfectly ripe avocados, high-quality sushi rice, crisp nori sheets, and a good rice vinegar. Having everything ready before you start makes the rolling process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation ensures a successful and tasty outcome for your homemade sushi. Next, let's prepare our key components. Cook your sushi rice until it's perfectly fluffy, then gently fold in your sushi vinegar mixture while the rice is still warm. This gives it that signature sushi flavor and texture. For the avocado, slice it into uniform strips, roughly 1/4 of an inch thick. Keeping the slices consistent helps create a beautiful, even roll. Remember to cover your avocado to keep it fresh. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lay a nori sheet on your bamboo mat, shiny side down. Dampen your hands with the vinegar water and spread a thin, even layer of rice over 2/3 of the nori, leaving about a 1-inch strip bare at the top. Place your avocado strips neatly across the center. Using the mat, carefully roll the nori and rice, applying gentle, consistent pressure to form a tight, uniform cylinder. This technique is key for a well-structured roll. Finally, it's time to cut and serve your delicious creations. Dampen a very sharp knife and slice each roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wiping the knife between cuts helps prevent sticking and ensures clean slices. Arrange your beautiful avocado rolls on a platter and serve them immediately with your favorite soy sauce and pickled ginger. And for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.